Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about data source of AWS AMI. Okay, so Amazon Machine Image. So till now we are hard coding our AMI ID in Terraform script, but that is not ideal way, and we don't have to hard code any value in Terraform script for real-time projects. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to use data source block in our Terraform script, and this data source block will fetch the latest AMI which is available under our AWS account, and it will create EC2 instance using that AMI only. Okay, that is latest one and getting fetched using data source. Okay, so this is the ideal way, and this is the real-time project implementation way. Okay, so we have to follow this way only. We don't have to hard code things in the real time. Okay, so let's discuss and let's see it practically. So this data source is useful because it's allow you to reference the latest available AMI dynamically without hard coding its ID. It's filter the AMI based on name and virtualization type. So we have to use most recent, that is true. So it will whatever most recent AMI is available under our AWS account, it will fetch that and it will launch the AWS EC2 instance. So we have to also user filters. So whatever architecture we are selecting for our EC2 instance, so according to that, filter will filter the AMI and it will fetch the AMI and it will launch the EC2 instance. Okay, so we also have to mention owners, who is the owner of a specific AMI. Okay, so we have to also mention that, and there is some use cases as you can see it here. Okay, so let's go ahead and start writing our script. Okay, so first we have to define our provider, that is AWS, and we have to define our region, that is US East-1. Let me save this and let's search for the script that we will be using here. AWS Terraform EC2 instance. Okay, let's open this, and here you can see here basic example using AMI lookup. Okay, so let's copy this script and paste it here. Okay, so as you can see here, data we are using AWS AMI and we are going to launch Ubuntu server, most recent true, and the filters we are also using name will be name only, and the value, that is our architecture of EC2 instance. So let me show you these things. Go here, go to the EC2 and go to the AMI section. So as you can see here, there is a lot of AMI available, and there is a private image, public image, and disabled image. So owned by me, you can also create your image and you can also launch EC2 instance using that. Okay, you can have your customized AMI as well, but we are going to use public image only. Okay, public email. So as you can see here, there is a lot of AMI available. So let me open one Ubuntu one. Okay, let me open that. So here you can see, right, the architecture Ubuntu 20.04 and the 64 multiply by 86 and 64, and this one is the SQL AMI, right? So let's go back and explore another one. So here we have another Ubuntu image as well. Here you can see here, right? Ubuntu image HBM SSD, Ubuntu Jammy, and the date of whenever like AWS release this AMI. Okay, so we can see that here. And so we are using similar to this. So let's go to our script here, and as you can see here we are using same, right? And we are also filtering with the virtualization type, that value is HVM, right? So let's go here and let's explore these things. Okay, so here you can see in the AMI ID, so this is the AMI ID, and the image type is machine, platform is Linux Unix, and root device is EBS, and virtualization type is HVM, right? This is what we just have seen in our Terraform script, right? Okay, and honors, what we can do, we can mention Amazon here, because this is the public image, right? Let's go back. This is the public image, so anyone can use. So this, and this is released by Amazon, so who will be the owner? Owner will be Amazon only, right? Amazon. Okay, so and here we are creating the instance using this. Okay, so what we are going to give the name, that is let me change the name to prod. Okay, so and we are taking the reference of this AMI ID is data dot AWS underscore AMI dot Ubuntu dot ID, right? So we are taking the reference, whatever image ID it's fetching here, it will be getting used here, and we are not hard coding any value, right? So this is the ideal way and real time way that you will be using and you will be working in your real time projects. Okay, so let me save this file and let me hit Terraform init. Sorry, there is some typo. So as you can see here, our provider is getting downloaded, so let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, so I have done only one changes, that is name, right? We have changed the name only, and apart from it everything is same, right? So you can go simply and you can search for any document and you can use that as like a script in your Terraform, and you can create the infrastructure for real time. Okay, so this is the way how we can use the documentation, so it's really helpful. So no, don't everyone like remember everything, so we have to use follow the documentation part, and we have to use the script, okay, to implement this, and we can't remember this much script, so we have to take help from the documentation. That's why documentation got created to make our life simple. Okay, so here our provider get downloaded. Let's run Terraform plan. So there is some issue. Take on main.tf line number 19 data in data AWS MI Ubuntu and owners Amazon. Okay, a reference of value must be followed by the latest attribute. Okay, so let me put it in double quotes here. So let me save this script now and let me run Terraform plan again. So as you can see here, plan 1 to add, so our EC2 instance will get created. So whenever you get any error, then don't get like frustrated. Look for the error what it's saying and try to understand and resolve that. Okay, so don't get frustrated whenever you got any error. So Terraform now apply. So our EC2 is now getting created. It's asking for permissions. So let's see. So it's taking bit time. So let's wait for a few more seconds. As you can see, our EC2 instance got created and the instance ID we got here, right? So apply completed, resources 1 added. So let's go here and go to our EC2 instances, and you can see it here. So instance type is t2 t3.micro, that what we have defined here, okay, and our instance side name is hello world, that we have used the tags here, right? So let's open this, and as you can see the AMI ID here, right, and the AMI name, that we have used the according to our requirement and the architecture here we have used, right, this one. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful, and now you will be able to use data source block to create your EC2 instance and without hard coding the value of AMI ID in Terraform script. So I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query regarding this video, do let me know in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video.